Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether a given value is a boolean in JavaScript. Booleans are fundamental data type used in logical operations, conditions, and program flow control. Identifying boolean values correctly is crucial for writing clean and error-free code. Let's explore how we can reliably check if a value is a boolean. In JavaScript, only true and false are native boolean values. Other values like 0, 1, true, and null may behave like booleans in conditions but are not actually boolean types. This function works by using the type of operator, which checks the data type of a value. If type of val is strictly equal to boolean, it means the value is either true or false, ensuring accurate boolean detection. This function ensures that only true and false are classified as booleans. Other truthy or falsy values do not pass the test, making it a reliable boolean detector. This function correctly identifies boolean values while rejecting similar but non-boolean values. The type of operator ensures that only primitive boolean types pass the check. This function is widely used in form validation, feature toggles, and debugging, ensuring that boolean values are strictly true or false, prevents unexpected errors in JavaScript applications. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to identify boolean values in JavaScript, and why this check is useful in validations, debugging, and feature management. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.